get into these locks. They are so freaking cute. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed these individual crochet locks. I just recently added some curly hair to it the other day to give it like a bohemian look. I'm going to show you how I did that as well. I usually don't like to do that because this hair is kinky, and more than likely in a week or so I'm going to take it right out, cut it out, because it's just going to get kinky and crazy looking. But I think it looks cute right now. Before I show you how I installed these individual locks, I'm going to show you all the products I use. If you want to skip that, I'll put the time right here. If you want to go straight to the installation of this hairstyle, fine with me. So if you want to see how I install this hairstyle, keep watching.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof. Love me up, be do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Ooh, this type shit, heavy wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Trip when you sliding. Dip, baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you. Baby, cause you know I like it. Taking up a cake for you. Sweet baby, girl, you bite it. You can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. You can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you're outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like oopsie days. Ain't no if and buts and maybes. Don't be let up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Baby, ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot on the face. This type shit, heavy wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. And trip when you sliding. Dip, baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you. Baby, cause you know I like it. Taking up a cake for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. You can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you're outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. Conversations for the mind. As we stare, we both seek and hope to find real love, purified. Use your heart and not your eyes. Baby, just relax and
that's how I installed these locks. It was super easy. Didn't take too long. If I sat and did my hair all at one time, I did it over the weekend or 2 days. I want to say maybe 12 hours or so. Maybe 12 hours, I can't remember. So that's why I broke it up in 2 days, so I wouldn't have to sit and do it all at one time. And also, I did my parts a little different. I usually do my parts like a square, but I did like a circle. Not so neat. I just wanted to try something different, and I think I kind of like it. So let me show you the parts. So I actually had this hairstyle in for a week so far, and I like it. The older it gets, the better and more natural it looks. And also, the length that I got was 18 inches, and it was super long. I'm 5'8", and it came all the way down to my, like, past my butt. So I cut them like long layers, like bra strap length. And I did a couple layers, and they look pretty good. They didn't unravel, which I'm so happy about. Let me get a little closer too, so you can see my locks. They look so nice. And you can see some of my blonde peeking through. And I was gonna go and add some more hair, the Molly Twist hair, over top of it. But I said no, it doesn't bother me. And I didn't want it to be too much bulky hair at the top, since I only twist the Molly hair at the top. So I grabbed the bundle, pull a piece out, take the scissors, just cut the hair in half. Just grab a little bit of the hair, not a lot. If it gets tangled, just unravel it from the ends. See how this hair tangled up already? That's how I know I'm not going to keep this in my hair for long. So what I did was grab this piece and tie it like a knot. Tie it around a couple times. Let me show you a little closer. Like, this is so freaking cute. This is so freaking cute. I love this hairstyle. Nice, easy, cute little summer hairstyle. Great for vacay. And if you want it long, you keep it long all the way down to your butt. I don't like it that length, so I kept it bra strap length. And this is what I'll be wearing for the next month or so. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.